All right, kick it off with EU for today. Quite frankly, I'm not seeing a whole lot on the charts. Actually, let's start on AU because AU I'm not even going to touch. AU's broken this high, so I'm now working externally on my 15-minute from this low through to this high. Got a really nice decisional here. I'd be happy to buy from that decisional or sell through it depending on how price moves down to it. If we can give like another break to the upside here, I will be happy to utilize this as internal retest to then buy through this area. Buying off the inducement of it is preferred, but as it stands right now, yeah, just going to have to leave it as is. Um, well, yeah, the structure in AU is just trash. Um, yeah, the range that we're currently in, the little bearish leg, hasn't been retested. So, you haven't got anything to confirm the break yet. It has induced a little decisional, but all of this is just so filled, and just this structure is just very, very poor. So I'm not looking to do anything with it, but I'll monitor what it does when it gets down to there, if it gets down to there anyway. Looking at the euro's broken this high here, which is our 15-minute external. So again, broken 15-minute external structure to the upside. We've had a little break internally to the downside, induced this area, which is the decisional area of that break. I'd like to buy it, so we can mark that out there. The decisional. Obviously, just don't have any structure really inside of here to better work with for buys. So I'm not too keen on doing anything with the euro either. Now, moving across to GU, GU is one pair that I would actually be open to trading. Again, broke the high last week. Bullish 15-minute external leg. Bullish momentum. Really good inducement to the downside. Nothing to confirm retest or anything like that as of yet. We've come up, mitigated this area here, which is very, very poor. It failed to break the lows. It doesn't really hold any weight. Building up liquidity down here. If we can get this push to the downside, create that 15-minute two leg out of this point, this is also that 50% of Asia. I'd then be open to working inside of here to get some sort of buying opportunity to buy price up. Just following along with that bullish momentum, understanding that we're likely going to form this as a retest of that. So that's what I'm looking for more or less just now. You can view this as a retest of that break, which either way you look at it, that helps with the analysis for buys, because if this is retest, this range we know won't hold, so we can look to buy through it anyway. So that's literally the only thing I'm looking for is buys off of that low today on GU. Looking at news, just a bit of orange folded, nothing crazy. Nothing crazy overnight. So we're good in that sense. Yeah, and obviously, that's Friday. Never mind. Yeah, GBP bank holiday today, and that's about it. So yeah, not the best trading conditions. Like I said, I'll be looking for buys on here on GU, and that is quite literally the only thing I've got on. So yeah, let me know if you've got any questions. But yeah, not looking like a whole lot for today.